my darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby.
It was the must-see and most important urban music show ever. The dancing, the music, the styles, and the stars.
Let's get it on.
It was the hippest trip in America. It was Soul Train.
Baby, let's cruise away.
Hi, I'm Smokey Robinson. Did you know the Soul Train was the longest running show in the history of syndicated TV? It was pioneered and hosted by an ex-radio DJ who believed that it was time for America to have a show celebrating soul music.
Now is your chance to bring all these priceless memories back into your home and on your TV. Time Life presents the Soul Train DVD collection.
My city, lovely as a summer day.
It includes 130 guest star performances, and now you can preview the entire Soul Train DVD collection in your home for 30 days for just $9.95.
Nothing from nothing leaves nothing.
But wait, order with your credit card and get a free bonus DVD. That's a total of 9 DVDs. This collection has over 13 hours of the best of Soul Train, and there's more. Call within the next 10 minutes and get free shipping and handling. And remember, if this isn't the best collection you've ever seen, simply send it back and owe nothing more. But keep the free bonus DVD. It's our way of saying thanks.